Hello? Have you ever crossed a bridge and just wondered if it was safe? It's a thought that might cross our minds for a quick second before we move on with our day. Bridges are like the strong arms of our cities and towns, connecting us to family, work, new adventures. They carry our cars, our buses, and sometimes even our trains, day in and day out, without ever complaining. We trust them completely, often without giving them a second thought. But just like anything that works so hard for us, these amazing structures need a little bit of attention from time to time to make sure they are still strong and dependable for everyone who uses them. Thinking about bridge safety might seem like a job only for engineers with big, complicated tools and plans. While they do the very important, detailed work, we can also play a small but very meaningful part. Imagine if every person who regularly crossed a bridge took just a couple of minutes to simply look at it. Not with an expert's eye, but with the caring eye of someone who depends on it. It's about building confidence and a sense of community ownership over the public spaces we all share and rely on. This simple act of observation doesn't require any special training or knowledge, just a little bit of your time and your attention to the world around you. This isn't about creating fear or worry. In fact, it's about the opposite. You might be thinking, what can I possibly see in just 2 minutes? The answer is surprisingly a lot. A quick inspection catches obvious signs fast. Big problems often start as small, visible clues. Anyone can spot them. Think of it like a health checkup. You tell the doctor about any new aches or pains you've noticed. In the same way, your quick glance can be the first alert that a bridge might need some professional attention. This early warning system is powered by regular people like you and me. It's an incredibly effective tool for maintaining public safety. The beauty of this simple check is that it creates a continuous stream of information. An engineer might inspect a bridge every year or two, but hundreds or even thousands of people might cross that same bridge every single day. If even a small fraction of those people know what to look for, the bridge is being monitored constantly. A sudden change, like a new crack appearing after a storm, or a piece of concrete falling, is much more likely to be noticed and reported quickly. It doesn't replace the need for professional inspections, but it adds another powerful layer of safety. Ready to become a bridge watcher? It's very easy. Let's break down this 2-minute check into simple steps. First, start with the big picture. As you approach, take a look from a distance. Does the bridge appear to be sagging or dipping in the middle? Its main lines should look straight and strong. Check the ground around the base where it meets the water, or the riverbank. Any soil being washed away? This is called erosion. It can weaken the foundation. Now get closer or walk across. Use your ears. Does it make unusual noises as cars and trucks pass? A little humming is usually normal. A low rumble is generally normal. But loud clanking could be a sign parts are loose. Grinding could mean parts aren't fitting together correctly. And banging sounds are a warning sign. Also, feel the bridge with your feet. Does it shake or vibrate excessively? A slight vibration is expected with heavy traffic. But if the movement feels like a strong wobble